Hello, hello. How you doing? Are you getting up, getting out, getting into something? I hope so. Well, this is Mama Roxy Sees, and I'm here for your water, your presses, and your pocketbooks, baby, your hearts and your minds. I am here with a very small Dollar Tree haul, and I placed an order from Temu about a mini doorbell. So let's really see what we get with this. Y'all hear it? It's already ringing and I haven't touched it. It's very sensitive. It's this right here, and it's called the mini doorbell. So let's see how this is long battery life, cloud storage service, notification to smartphones, and night vision. So let's see how we operate this. This is comes in this little bitty box that I can never get open. All right, let's see what we got right here. Oh, okay. I hope. Oh, okay. Come with the this little charger thing right here. I don't know what this is. All right, let's see how we use this. Okay, doorbell, video doorbell, and the rightness it say shipping mark, doorbell key, doorbell horn, camera lens, pilot lamp, and pilot lamp, horn. Let's see how you install this. See, I hope it's over here in English. I hate not being able to see. I'm blind as ever. Okay, app application and use it. First, I'm going to take my phone. Let's see how easy this is. We're going to take my camera and app. Okay, and it says, it pops up like this. And let's see if we can hit get. So while that's downloading, let's click it. Okay, we got that. It's coming on. So then it says, girl, open the app, regular log in, press the doorbell for 10 seconds for the video to prompt. Device has been reset. Please turn on Bluetooth. Okay, we got the open, allow. Okay, it's taking forever. Scan. Okay, install. I, wait, what we doing here again? No, hold on, we didn't did that. We ain't gotta go. Okay, now we ain't doing all that. We gonna hit open. Then you gotta get something else. Okay. Okay, we got that. So we gotta wait for that to open. So then we gonna take the little camera out. This is what this sound like. Take that off. This is how this looks. Okay, stop sticking to me. Okay, it's opening up. It say open. What we doing here? Continue. Uh oh, listen, I'm not trying to do all that. Let's go where we going here. Let's go to okay, install. Man, this is ridiculous, y'all. Continue. 3-day free trial. Y'all better beat it for right now. Okay, let me see where we going here. What am I scanning? Okay. This is, listen, I hate when I'm sent someplace. I ain't got nothing to scan. What is it? Okay. See, they gonna make me mad. Okay, you keep. This is not. I'm not. Hold on, y'all. Let me figure this out 'cause it's about to make me mad. Hold that thought.